have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey. Ho, ho. Don't have to tell has got to go, hey, hey.
If you read a statement, if you can come around and create a circle, everybody down here, they understand that we're peaceful, but you can't get close to the fence. So please back up and just create a circle around you.
We are here today as citizens because of our responsibility and because of the duty that's in our hearts as Americans. We find it absolutely unconscionable that in a moment when soldiers who are willing to live and die for their country deploy overseas and make the ultimate sacrifice in a country that talks about integrity, that they are forced to lie in shame about who they are. And I tell the President, no more! No more! No more! No more! My name is Lieutenant Dan Choi. I am a West Point graduate. I have a degree in Arabic. I am an Iraq combat veteran. And most importantly, I am not staying silent anymore. I'm here on a mission with Captain Choi and Pietrangelo, and we are asking you all to join us. We are calling you to action because we are at a turning point. We're calling you to action because when there is a moment where no talk can get us any further, action is absolutely required by all citizens who care deeply for their country. What we do today frees us in a way that does not make our lives necessarily any better in the short term. But that is not even what we're fighting for. We are fighting for all of those who perpetuate homophobia, who perpetuate bigotry, and who perpetuate discrimination against those that would serve this country. And we call for the end of Don't Ask, Don't Tell, not just for the gay soldiers, but for the sake of all Americans. Some may tell you that I'm lucky because I've been returned to my unit and that I'm still serving without any disruption to good order and discipline, without any disruption to unit cohesion or morale. And they might ask you, why am I here today? A nice sunny day where all of us could have been at our normal workplaces. What brings us here and what drives us as we go forward? It is my absolute moral responsibility to speak up for those who cannot speak up for themselves.
Amen.
Go Dan! And I am willing, with Captain Pietrangelo, to make that ultimate sacrifice as a message to all of us who care deeply, who say talk is enough and equality cannot be purchased, but by the sacrifice of those that are willing to take a stand and who believe in it in their hearts through what they know is correct. Our fight is here. Our fight is now, and with us in our action here today, we send it very loudly. We will not disappear. Woo!
Way to go, Dan!
Clear out. Clear out, Tiana. Clear out.
Yeah. Until there is equality, none of us deserve equality. It is our responsibility to speak up. And they might tell me that I remain silent. But at a time when there is discrimination, and when there is a time that America is being betrayed by its own rules and its own laws, it is not a right to be silent.
Everybody please move back to the side street, please.
And it is my
Is this time back to the street?
to continue speaking out.
This time to the street, please.